Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete chess.com account. So this is tutorial for you. So if you feel bored, if you want to delete your account completely from chess.com, it's very easy to do it. All you have to do is just open chess.com and tap three stripes at the top of your screen. Scroll down to tap on settings button. You can tap it, all settings, and here we go. You can delete your account by tap on a membership option, this one. You can tap it, and here we go. You can tap on manage account, then you can scroll down. Here we go. Do you want to close your chess.com account completely? So you have to confirm your identity. You can write your email here and then enter text from image above and confirm your identity. After that, you can delete completely your account in chess.com. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so click the text button below. See you in the next video.